Hello, welcome to Otis Place. Today's video is for those who are struggling to grow their hair. I'm going to show you the progress of my niece's hair and what I've been doing to be able to grow her hair and take her hair from this length to this length. Guys, I'm so happy with the progress of the hair. It has grown so much in a few months. If you're interested in this, keep watching. So first of all, today is wash day. So what I'm going to do first is to make sure I detangle her hair properly. I'm detangling the hair with some aloe vera juice. That Cantu container had some aloe vera juice in it. So that's what I'm using to just detangle the hair, make all the tangles kind of dissolve a bit. The aloe vera gel in that container was really small, so I've gone to the spray bottle, to the one in the spray bottle. That's what I'm just doing, spraying all her hair. Guys, this is one tip. If you're going to wash your hair, if you're going to detangle your hair, you have to make sure that you apply some water, some liquid to it, so that it will be easy for you to detangle. And I'm also using the Shea Moisture balancing conditioner. You saw it there on the screen. That's what I'm using to pre-poo her hair and make it really easy for me to detangle properly. This conditioner smells so good, so good, and it has some sleep. You can see that I sectioned the hair a bit roughly, not neatly. I sectioned it roughly. If you want to do it neatly, that's up to you. But the aim of sectioning the hair is to make sure I reach every part. Every strand gets treated properly. When it comes to combing the hair, it's always good to start from the tips and work your way to the base, because it helps loosen. If you want to start from the base, from the roots, you're most likely going to suffer a lot of breakage. You can see that you might have to run the comb several times through the hair to get the tangles out. I like tangling properly before washing, so that the hair does not tangle up when you're washing. If you don't detangle properly and you wash your hair is really going to get tangled. Guys, I am so happy with the progress of my niece's hair. This is the longest her hair has ever been, and we are so excited. Both of us are so excited, and it has all come down to making sure that we retain the length she's having. Her hair is actually growing, but what has been happening before is that she had not been able to retain length, and we have been able to retain length little by little. After doing that section of the hair, I'm going to do the next section. It is always very important to work in sections, like I said earlier. I'm just doing the same thing I did before. I'm spraying some aloe vera juice. I'm using the conditioner on the hair to make it really easy for me and to have good sleep. If you watched the previous video of me making her hair that I posted a while ago, you will see that there's a clear difference in the way her hair is. Before, I could hardly, twist her hair in such big chunks. I had to put the hair in little twists. But now, see how far we have come. That's just to show that with consistency, with the right technique, anybody's hair can grow. That's if you don't have a medical condition that is making your hair stunted. I hear a lot of people saying my hair is not growing. For the past 3 years my hair has been the same length, and I say, if you don't have any deficiency in any vitamin, something like iron, zinc, then your hair is growing. Your hair is growing. It's just that you're not able to retain the length. And this is proof, guys. This is proof. I'm going to link the former video of when I was making her hair, so that you can see it for yourself, how her hair has grown. And can you notice her edges? Her edges have filled in. Before, her edges were not as full as this, because the braids she made one time really ate her edges off. But the edges are growing, and I'm so excited. I've applied conditioner and detangled her whole hair. What I'm going to do now is just use fresh aloe vera. Guys, I have a lot of aloe vera growing in my house. I'm using the fresh one just to apply to her scalp. The aloe vera will also give the hair sleep. I know that aloe vera is very healthy for the hair. It helps promote hair growth. It helps condition the scalp. Guys, it is so beneficial to the hair. So if you have access to it, you can use it. It's something that will help with your hair growth. It is not a magic potion. I repeat, it's not a magic potion. It will help when you do the right things, incorporate different steps. You will see that your hair is growing. So if you have access to aloe vera, it's something I recommend you use, as long as you're not allergic to it. If you've watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that bell by the side, select the all option so that whenever I post videos, you will be able to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. Guys, have you noticed that on this hair, I sectioned it into 5 and I made twists and they were able to stay. In the previous video, I had to put her hair in lots of different sections and some of the twists were even unraveling. That's how short the hair was. But see how the hair has grown. Just keep doing the right things to your hair and don't be too obsessed about the length. Don't be checking the length every time. Just give your hair some time, take a lot of pictures and make videos, and you'll see that your hair is actually growing. Work on retaining your length. Make sure you moisturize your hair. When you moisturize your hair, you seal that moisture in. When you want to wash your hair, make sure you detangle your hair properly. Don't just keep yanking at your hair with a comb, or else you see lots and lots of breakage. Make sure that when you're detangling, you use something that has slip. It will help a lot. It will help the comb slide through your hair. And don't forget your edges. I'm not forgetting her edges. Her edges have filled in, like I said earlier, and I am so excited. It is actually nice when you're doing something and you see the results of what you are doing. After applying the aloe vera and all that, I just lightly massaged her scalp. Massages are important. Scalp massages help with blood circulation to the scalp, and this will help promote hair growth. So after that, it's just to cover her hair with a nylon. She stayed for about 30 minutes before we proceeded with the wash day. I hope this video has been an encouragement to you. I will link the previous video so you go see how her hair was before and compare it to how it is now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you struggling to grow your hair? What have you been doing? Have you learned something from this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.